Stop making boring PowerPoint, try this instead. Hold the Shift key down and draw a rounded rectangle, and change its size to 3.25. Draw this shape, and set 2 for height and 3.25 for width. Reduce its transparency, then adjust the edge roundness exactly like the below shape. Now drag it down and subtract it from the below shape. Make 3 copies of it and adjust them like this. Right-click on this shape and select Format Shape, then add drop shadow in this direction to it and set blur amount to 25 and distance to 12. Repeat this for other shapes. Also, add different gradient fill to all the shapes, then add your text boxes to the slide. Now duplicate the slide and add a circle in this corner, change its color to white and add an inner drop shadow to it. Type your letter or number in it, then repeat this for other corners. Go to the first slide and adjust the shapes like this and drag text boxes out of the slide. Select the second slide and add morph transition to it. Follow for more tutorials.